Good day, viewers. Walter here. No, it's not Joe Hollywood. It's the Pwalpar. Coming to you today with a YABO. What kind of YABO? We got a Smoky Joe smoker grill here. It needs to be put together. And today we're just going to open the box and see what's in the box. And that'll probably conclude part one on this video. But I can tell you now, whatever's in there weighs a lot. That box probably weighs 350 pounds. Let me tune in on the box. And let's just open it up and see what's in the Smoky Joe barbecue box. The lighting ain't too good in the shade of this garage. Let's start with this angle here first. Anyway, it's the Oklahoma Joe's Highland Smoker Grill. It's not, I bought it at Lowe's Building Material. They have a much more expensive version which has a gas burners under it so you can get it started with propane and all that. But I think I can work a cigarette lighter or some paper or something to get that charcoal going just fine. I was building fires when I was knee-high to a grasshopper, and they didn't have no propane grills then. We cooked on a wood stove, and I did my share of chopping firewood. So we smoked with some wood here. I believe I still remember how. 25 years expertise craft. Anyway, I was real impressed with the thing, so I bought it. Might turn out to be a headache when it comes time to clean it. I ain't the most energetic person in the world these days. I'll take the wife to the doctor tomorrow, and I'll follow up with you on her condition as soon as we know more ourselves. Okay. We're off to a good start. It comes with an instruction manual. That's all we need. I can do anything with an instruction manual. Now, where would we be without styrofoam? We're going to separate the parts anyway. Might have to cut the whole box open as heavy as this booger bear is. Well, that ain't going nowhere. Okay. A rocket scientist I ain't. Okay, let's move the camera. Only I could make a project out of opening a box. All the goodies is inside. Okay, this probably legs or something. He's going to lay everything out here on the floor. got this kind of grate or shelf. That's nice and pretty. More grates or burner grills or something. Oh, they're pretty heavy. I better carry one at a time. Now, this is sort of a project in itself, just putting it together, and it's certainly not a how-to. Most of the things I turn out to do will probably be how not to do something. Got some pretty grates in there. You always do when they're new, get them greased up, and that's a different story. No wonder it weighed so much. Going to be the shelf for the front of it. Highland Smoky Joe 619. Main chamber, 260 firebox chamber, 879 cooking service, whatever the heck that means. Good God Almighty. It'll take me a month to put this booger bear together. That looks like wheels, maybe. I was just joking about throwing the controls away. I mean, the manual away. We're definitely going to go in the house and read that thing in a minute. That'll make the meat all that much better when I realize how much work I went through to get this thing put together. Okay, the firebox is full of all kind of heavy stuff. That's probably one half of the firebox and something else is in there. Cardboard box. Whatever's in them boxes are heavy. That one right there weighs 50 pounds, 40 maybe. I saw quite a few people's videos out there on cooking stuff with a Smoky Joe smokers. I figured, what the heck, I've always wanted one. More cardboard for the old dump. It's empty now, we just got to get it back in the garage. Certainly not going to put it together today. So I got a mess here to clean up and get in the garage. I invite you to stay tuned to Pwalpar channel to see just how this Smoky Joe smoker comes out. And any of you out there who have put one together want to send me any suggestions, I wouldn't refuse them. I've seen several videos out there on making modifications to these things. We got to get it built before we can worry about modifying it. Thanks for tuning in to Pwalpar today. Pwalpar signing off.